Purpose. Practice 2. In order to.
Lalita wants to go with her classmates. She has changed her plans.
Lalita has changed her plans in order to go with her classmates.
My friend wanted to get an increase in salary. He studied accountancy.
My friend studied accountancy in order to get an increase in salary.
Kamala wants to please her friends. She'll do anything.
Kamala will do anything in order to please her friends.
My friend wanted to hear the stranger. He tuned down the transistor.
My friend tuned down the transistor in order to hear the stranger.
I want to save money. I do my own cooking.
I do my own cooking in order to save money.
Raju wants to go to Australia. He plans to quit his job.
Raju plans to quit his job in order to go to Australia.
My mother wants to finish all the work. She must start quite early.
My mother must start quite early in order to finish all the work.
I want to improve my English. I practice daily.
I practice daily in order to improve my English.
My sister wanted to get Kala's address. She had to write to her father.
My sister had to write to Kala's father in order to get Kala's address.
Our manager wanted to surprise us. He kept everything a secret.
Our manager kept everything a secret in order to surprise us.
Practice 3. To plus verb.
We heard the good news. We were happy.
We were happy to hear the good news. You helped him. You are kind.
You are kind to help him.
You welcomed her. You were discreet.
You were discreet to welcome her.
My friend did not attempt it. He was afraid.
My friend was afraid to attempt it.
My father forgave me. He was glad.
My father was glad to forgive me.
I explained the details to him. I was ready.
I was ready to explain the details to him.
She did not begin. She was unable.
She was unable to begin.
My father supported me. He was good.
My father was good to support me.
My friend supported me. He was happy.
My friend was happy to support me.
They will start the program. They will be reassured.
They will be reassured to start the program.
I will study the project. I am strongly motivated.
I am strongly motivated to study the project.
I explained that project. I am always cheerful.
I am always cheerful to explain that project.
We got the prize. We were delighted.
We were delighted to get the prize.
My friend lost his watch. He was unhappy.
My friend was unhappy to lose his watch.
I began my preparation. I was very delighted. I was very delighted to begin my preparation.